Money they are so for share it up. Ravers, TJ, them rolling up.
Pull up a nice street, jump out, tight Jeep, grind me, go get a grand bag. Every gal I so sweet up top, her running straight, she want roll with bad man. Gal I say we flare it. You know here we. Some boys say them bad like me,
just
man,
like that,
tell them
mean.
nearly.
Hey, good evening to everybody that's locked in still. If you're still locked in with us, you're here with the Up and Live team. Thank you very much for joining us. And if you're locked in on the website, good evening to you as well. Wherever you're locked in around the world, thank you for very much for making it Up and Live. So remember, if you're on Facebook with us, please like and share the link. Simple as that, all right? And we have a very, very special guest inside the studio this evening. They've been here with us before. It's not their first, it's not their second time. They're more like family now. They become a part of the furniture of the Up and Live show. And we have the team of New Level is here with us this evening. Good evening to you guys. How are you doing this evening?
Yo. Energy. Yeah, hi.
And right now, the team looks like this looks like the business end of the team, guys. The sharpshooters, them.
You know, they're in the lounge for a minute still. Do you get me? So, but bring us in here, warm us up. Do you get me? We're ready now still.
I mean, I like that.
Man, the vibes are lit.
So we're starting from far left. Name is
Zachavelli.
And
Laker.
My name's Ras, I am.
Dirty Daps.
And this is
New Level.
Yeah, I like
Big
it.
up.
Promotions.
Yeah, I like the team keeps growing.
Big up Zachavelli. Sorry, what's the name again?
Zachavelli.
You have a bad accent still. You don't know.
Respect.
You see that? Accents. And talk to me about each one of yourselves. Starting from the left, Zachavelli.
Yeah, me, I'm an artist from North London. I've joined New Level now. It's official.
You're a rapper, singer?
I'm a rapper.
Okay, I could get that.
I could hear the rap, man. You don't know.
Yeah.
Straight New York.
Rap.
The vice, bruv.
Yeah, that way.
That's right. And the next gentleman in the middle?
Yeah. My name is Laker, and I'm a producer, rapper, songwriter from Brixton.
Oh,
yeah.
Keep the nuts.
Yeah, man.
So good. Now up next.
I'm Ras, I am. I'm a singer-songwriter and a / producer.
Yeah, the one voice. Who's the worst of that man, you know? That's the deepness, the bass in the voice.
Yeah. I'm a singer-songwriter / producer, artist, rapper. Yeah.
Okay, good. And the gentleman at the end.
I'm Dirty Daps. I'm a rapper / auto-tune singer
Auto-tune singer.
/ songwriter / ghostwriter / entrepreneur. Yes. In the building.
The most powerful part you say is the auto-tune singer.
Yes.
Me feel like me auto-tune and me are the biggest auto-tune singer. No?
Straight up.
Yeah.
We can do everything, but we're not over
We don't pay no mind.
So this is the New Level team, and I realize that each person in the team brings something different for the table. I would like that. And talk us through the journey. Are you guys new to the New Level team, or how long have you been a part of the team?
Yeah, I met BB last year. You know me? As far as I know, BB runs the shows. You know me? I met BB last year in November at a place called Sound Off. That's like a showcase held by one good brother called 9 Star in London. You should check it out.
I know what it is.
BB saw my set and she liked the show, and you know me? She invited me to come and check it out, and from there the ball's just been rolling. You know me?
Yeah. And is this the same story for you?
Yeah, Zachavelli. I met Bibi last year as well. She's helped me a lot since I've met her. Booking me shows and all kind of things, and I appreciate her a lot. Joining the team as well. As well as the team members and that, everything, we all get along well. I'm looking forward to working with Dirty Daps on some collabs eventually soon. I don't know now or the future, but it's on the way, and working on my project as well. But we'll talk about that a bit more later.
Yeah. And how long have you been in the group?
I joined the New Level Promotions early this year.
Okay.
I've known Dirty Daps. Me and Dirty Daps have grown up in the northwest area of London, and we've done music before, me and Daps, many years ago. And we reunited on my birthday.
Okay.
This year, and I met Bibby. And yeah, but I've been writing music for 10 years.
Yeah.
For over 10 years. Last year I made a conscious decision to push forward and just
do your own thing.
Yeah, let the world know that I've got ability
something.
and I've got a story to tell. And yeah, I think New Level Entertainment is kind of like the way forward for me for now.
That makes sense.
So
I love that.
you all do individual songs or you have songs together?
Yeah, well,
Like collab.
Collab's coming soon, you hear me? Cause to be real, I think most of us, we all linked up kind of recently. I would have said last like 3 to 6 months, but
Yeah.
the energy's there, you hear me? And definitely I think a lot of us are already talking about working together, so yeah, that's on its way.
Yeah, and we definitely been shutting down shows together as well. You know what I mean?
I see that on the
You
gram
know,
still.
big events. Yeah, that.
I see
yeah.
that, but we didn't get any insight from gentleman on the end there. What's going on for Mr. Silent Man, Mr. Quiet Man?
Yes. My name's Dirty Daps, yeah. I joined New Level last year. It's been a blessing. A lot of stuff have happened, a lot of shows, more shows than usual, so it's been a blessing, you know. And I just have to count your blessings, and yeah, I can say everything's going well. We're stepping up to the next level each time we do shows. We're getting heard by more people, more exposure. And yeah, it's going well. And I'm looking forward to do collabs with New Level members.
Yeah.
And yeah, things are going very well. Trust me.
That's good. But so in terms of you, John, in the group, unsigned artists always have a uphill battle to climb, especially there's loads of competition. What are you looking for as an unsigned artist? What would you like to happen most of all from someone who's managing you? Because sometimes I think the artists get views get overlooked. I'm not saying that's happening now, but I'm just liking to hear from an artist's point of view. What would you like to see happen to your career? Or what direction you like to see? Anyone can answer that.
you know what, I think that's a brilliant question, you know. For me, more than anything, I think it's somebody that has a belief and an understanding in the ability that I have within making music, and someone that can offer a platform to be exposed for people to you know, network with me, network with artists like ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, push our music out there, but more than anything, to believe in our ability and where it is that we want to go with our vision, and to just kind of, just give us a platform that we can work alongside with these people.
That makes sense.
You know what I mean?
And do you find that that's always the case in terms of getting your music out there? Do you feel like you're always accepted for who you are? You are being turned into something that you're not?
I find this what I find. I find that the world that we're living in now, if you push and you focus very hard, then by yourself a lot of things can be achieved.
Yeah.
But everybody has a team. Everybody needs somebody. You understand? The fans, we need the fans.
That's
just
right.
as much as the fans enjoy needing and wanting our music. You understand? So everybody plays a role. You understand? Within this music industry. Yeah. So as an artist, for me personally, I just want to be able to focus on the music and making the music. You understand? And making it known that this music has come from a dark place, but it's able to give light and shine light in dark places and bring joy to people because of conscious decisions that I've made in myself.
Yeah.
But with help.
With help.
With understanding. With guidance. That
makes sense.
I'm happy.
That's the key. Tell me about your journey before for the music. How long have you been doing the music?
Yo, that's mad. It's like double-edged questions, yeah. Because I've been making music since I'm a kid.
State your name.
Yeah, you say stay your name.
On the radio.
Nah, they know. But it's Laker. Do you hear me? Laker again. If you want to follow me, Instagram, all of that is Laker the Alchemist.
Plug at that. Plug.
Yeah. Shameless plug. You hear me?
That's
but no,
alright.
I've been making music since I was a kid. You hear me? And then I got more serious about writing things. You know, when I was maybe teenager. I would have said around 10 years ago is when I started production and things like that. And the main reason I started production is just because I didn't have anyone around me that was making the beats I needed or the beats I wanted. I didn't have access to production like that to be experimental. So I started doing it for myself, and you know, now I'm like mad years down the line, and I make all my own stuff. I engineer all my own work, and it's a unique sound off of it. You hear me? So
you make your own beats as well?
Yeah. Everything I make is done by me. It's all in house, like production, and then of that, it's giving me space to experiment. Do you hear me?
But New Level smart, man. New Level go out with things, man.
New Level so New Level in terms of like goals for this summer. I know you guys say you perform on a lot of show so far since a lot of the new members join New Level. So for this upcoming summer, you know, a lot of festivals keeping on these things. What are some of the festivals you see yourself performing on this year?
That's for you, fam.
I've forgotten the name of the festival. But it's a ganja festival, you get me?
It's a ganja. You can say it's a weed man still.
Weed man festival, you get me?
Really ganja,
yeah, fam.
20th of July.
20th of July, a weed festival. Where is it? Where's it gonna be?
What?
Where's it gonna be?
I can't say it on radio. Somewhere outside London.
Oh yeah, somewhere outside London. Check out our Instagram and follow us on Instagram so that you're updated with it.
I can't even find it.
So all you need to do is follow New Level, and you get the information needed for that one.
There's plenty of
no, what's your main goal festival where you'd like to see yourself perform on that festival? I'm not talking
wireless.
Yeah. Wireless. So you don't know if you want to perform at wireless, you don't know you have to keep on hit the street hard. You have to hit the ground running.
Consistency.
Exactly.
Definitely.
Do you find that the UK scene, the industry, is it accepting? Alright, let me change the question. Do you find that there's enough outlet for like artists to get a chance?
Not enough, but it's opened up more right now.
Why would you say that it's opened up more?
Because a lot of people that are speaking the same slang that the streets are speaking are getting accepted into the music charts. Yeah. They're hitting number ones and top 10, top 25, and that's opening up for other people that are talking the same talk that they're talking and coming with the same genres as them.
But my analysis of that is it's not really they're opening the doors now. I think they're opening the doors for themselves, because where the internet has become so powerful, you can't ignore people who's doing numbers. So if you take a guy like Stormzy, the reason why they accept him is because he's doing numbers independently.
Yeah.
So when one person is pulling so much traction, obviously the guys who are in the mainstream who like the numbers and numbers are their thing, they're gonna automatically be attracted to you. So this is where you're at an advantage now, where if you work hard enough, if you like your craft, promote yourself enough.
But to be honest, I would say Stormzy is a bad example, because Stormzy been around for years. I would say checking out like new upcoming artists like Ramsey and them, man. Just a little. He's doing numbers and he's creating a little buzz, because you know sometimes you believe in yourself, you invest a bit of money, you shoot your video, you promote on YouTube and these things, because them always say like your best asset is your own brand. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you put your thing on the next man thing, you don't really get the glory or the weight. Because, for instance, look at it, if a Universal or a VP have to sign you guys probably just get lost in the pile of artists they sign. Yeah,
you need a buzz, exactly. You know what I was going to say as well, when man did first ask the question, I was going to say, like, I think now the whole thing has changed. Like, it's been changing drastically over like say last 10-15 years, but even in the last three years things changed completely. Like 3 to 5 years changed completely. Jeremy, you can be in your house and from you are prepared to take the time to learn the business of it, you can set up record label in your house. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can run your own publishing, run your own distribution, and you don't have to answer to no one. There's all kinds of layers to the thing that man can do now. So the whole thing's so open. I feel like it's just changed. Do you know what I mean? Obviously, it's not for me to say oh, you could do this, because it's an endless list of what you could do with the possibility. But it's open now. Do you hear me? And it's your drive.
I think I agree with what you're saying, and it's about ability. It's about all of that. It's about passion. It's about drive. It's about willing yourself to win and getting up and doing something about it. Yeah, but the music industry is a very, very tough industry. Yeah, and I ain't even taken steps to blossom as much as I could. You understand? I'm just starting, and I've taken some knockbacks. Sometimes I've looked at the music industry and I've looked at it as a fugazi industry because of the things that are happening. Like what you say, there's people that will just come up with something and they'll blow. Yeah, they'll blow. And realistically, it's just one track. And there's other artists out there that they're powerful beings. They've got some great talents, great gifts, but they ain't got the limelight on them.
They ain't got that's the thing. That's the getting that attention.
And the genres of music as well, you have to understand. Like we're living in a time right now where, you know,
you see that
the expression of music is gone. It's gone all out the window to me. It's gone nuts.
It's two different things, yeah. Because his music business is two. It's like saying dry water. Do you get what I mean? It doesn't relate in no kind of way. So you see what you're saying? Like your music has the music has no meaning to it. There's no point to the music. Like it's kind of bad for business at the same time. Do you get what I mean? If you have too much information in your music, it's bad for business. So
it is.
It's much. You know what I mean? And then at the same time, say like what you're saying about artists springing up and hitting certain markets and doing certain things. Them man are not just like flinging a tune out. That's more. It's music, but there's business behind it to push it to a certain way.
It's like a strategy.
Totally
like,
different things. You get what I'm saying? Totally different.
When you look at a lot of things, like for instance, this is a perfect example. Look at Big Shaq. What he did is a perfect strategy. Like what Iman. What's that guy name?
Straight.
That guy on BBC. What they do is strategy. And it work. So like when you hear Drake and a lot of these big artists drop certain tracks certain time of the year, it's all about strategy because remember the game grows so much from.
This is the thing. Credit to Big Shaq. Credit to Big Shaq. Credit to him. Yeah, because he's done well. He's a comedian. He's done well. But think about the people. See me as a person that's coming from nothing, trying to progress in this music industry. Yeah. There are people out there that they will think he's capitalized on something that's their dream, that's their passion, and they're not gonna see that. They're not gonna see that. They're not gonna see it.
Yeah, but as an artist, like stop look at yourself as like just
wishing more though.
Just a player on the bench. We all in the game. We all on the field.
Yep. Anybody can.
Some of the time we just not scoring. Some of the time we just not scoring. We all on the field because one day we'll get our chance to score. So picture that.
Definitely.
Because none of us ain't on the sidelines. We all on the field.
It's
we all
every man
playing
for themselves, really, innit?
And you guys are a group. You're togetherness, so it's 4 person. It's not one. So
that's why I said
4 person more powerful than one.
I think for me it's like for the discussion thing of that is as well. Part of it is like because when see the thing that inspires someone to make music is creativity and like being on a creative energy. You hear me? And then trying to now harness that and turn that into something that you can sell and turn into a product is completely. That's why I was saying it's totally alien. Do you get what I mean? So it's only a handful of artists that are even gonna get to the point where they've packaged their music even at the level where they could say it's like, raw, I could monetize this or turn this into a business. Do you get what I mean? Yeah. So it's like there's mad layers to that conversation of saying, raw, like what is it? What's my music and what's my business? And because I know, for example, I know one brother and like he's more talented than I would say like basically anyone I've met a bag of people like and big names, small names. I met bare people. His talent level is supremely high, but
you just don't know.
No, it's not that he don't know. He purposefully would not want to enter the industry. You with me? He purposefully chooses not to, and he prefers to make music because he's not interested in the business. Do you understand?
Okay.
There's layers to it. Like it's not like
I know
you're big or you're not kind of thing. There's layers to the conversation. You with me?
Now sorry to cut you guys short because time is against us.
It was a good conversation.
It's a good conversation.
Laker the Alchemist. Laker. Go follow man Instagram. Laker the Alchemist. New level.
So that's so everyone. I want everyone to just read out your social media games because when we start we ain't gonna have time to stop. Alright. So starting from the left, social media.
Yeah. My social media. Find me on Instagram, Zachavelli. Ain't mud for it, Brazy.
You man go. I plug.
Social medias. Dirty Daps, DIRTY DAPZ.
Okay.
Yo, it's I am on Instagram and Instagram. Ras I Am, Forever Music, FEM, YouTube.
Wait, one more for luck is Laker, yeah, Laker the Alchemist on Instagram. You with me? Go look up on Spotify, Laker Blue Dragons. That's my single out now, yeah? Alright, peace.
Peace.
So, here we're gonna do now. In the true fashion of the Open Live show, any guest artists we have on the show, I have to put down some bars.
Cheers.
I have to put down some bars.
So,
Cool.
I did practice still something with no swearing, just for you, man, so.
I don't know if you guys want to do it together, just freestyle one after the other, or you want to do it single file. It's all up to you guys. I'm going to drop a beat and then you guys just jump in and do what you want to do.
Yeah, something. Nice.
You running? No swearing. You got it? You ready? You sure? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm beating them. Okay, man's gonna try and tempo that. Oh no. They cut the I was feeling it still. I was ready.
KK
Yeah.
Ready? What's the wave?
New level. New level. Shouts to everyone inside. Shouts to Zachavelli. Shouts to Laker. Shouts to Ras I Am. It's me, Dirty Daps. Yo. Listen. Look. Little Brenda never had the baby, probably had Mercedes. If I never she'd be a pretty lady. Hood so poor like the poverty in Hades. Always told me get my money up, I hustle daily. Hold the line, chillax the weed, pays me, loud pack. I got that I'm a weed baby. Kept the same connect since I was a YG. I'm ahead of the game, that's why they don't like me. Bringing the 90s and the 80s back. This is not rap, hip hop, stop selling. I'm a gradiac, maniac. If I hold it, but to tap splat, I'm banging, I'm into that. But if your gang's banging, I'm sending more than a bang back. 90% of the fam strap, you dig. Rest of them are 9 to 5, will probably turn act. Cause once you murder man, you can't turn back. Look, turn back time like God in heaven. Look, oh you better can you best be young, You better make the Lord be your best friend. You know you die with a gun, you won't get your life back.
Yo, listen. Come from the slums where guns do blaze. Young ones squeeze guns like toothpaste and die over something dumb like a screw face or a gold chain. Body slump, no soul on the cold mains. Me, I know pain. I lived in the hood all my life. Plus I've been the crook all my life. Being on the run, had to bust a gun. Shook for my life. I know about hard life. Been burnt by the flames that came from the dark side. Locked in chains, did time with the R guys. Yeah, my lifestyle gully. Raised in the slums where people get body. LONDON, my city's full of duppy. I'm a hood because cause so many homies never saw their 21st. Yo.
Oh, you can't hear the beat. Oh, you need the headphones. My bad.
Fine. Shall I write it?
Yeah.
Carry on. Headphones.
Throw that on real quick.
Bang, bang. Cover that, don't think you're nang. Destroy anyone in the soundboy gang. Bang. Yeah.
Hey, let me go. Let's get it.
Go through.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Hey, let's keep getting waved, my soul up in space. I feel like an alien, I'm in another place, in another zone far away, but I'm close. Feel like a ghost and they see me, but they don't. Feeling it to show, feeling in the blow, feel so dope. Being at my high, being at my low, being in the cold, did had a snow mood, did I crow. Bringing up fire, I'm bringing that smoke. Designing my coat, designing my flow. New level, yo, hey, new level promo, hey, let's get this go, hey.
Hey, run me one. You man cooked it, right? Hey, look, DJ.
My life right.
You see for my one, DJ. Can you cut the beat for me though, DJ? You see for my one, can you take the beat off? Yeah, for my one, cause these man all done their thing. Let me run my one on the Akka just cause, you get me? You with me, yeah? You got me? I'm good? Alright, cool, alright. So many demons in my bed, all these killers in the cut. See them coming for my neck, more lust, less love. I see the angels overhead, am I alive or am I dead? Either way I know I'm blessed, more money, less stress. See the signs every day, I'm aligned with the stars. See me ride on the wave, see the chain, see the car. Don't get lost in the source, young Jedi with the force. Put the models in the Porsche, pop the clutch, let it roar. Feet up on the dash, shh, in the stash. Kush haze in the hash, back it up, make it clap. Said she's done it all before, ice cold till the core. Silk sheets still fresh, instead we on the floor. Jeez. Hey, book. There, Laker, at Laker the Alchemist. New level, big up you man, still.
That's right. I like that. I like the energy. Like the vibes. The whole team of Sparks. I swear. I love that. People, New Level live inside the building right now. The freestyle duo. Remember, say if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Right? And I also want to say big up to Lady Baby. She's inside the studio.
I mean, big up.
And Rhea is here as well. The whole team. Management is here. They're all staying off camera. Them staying sideways. You know, people. Make sure you support the movement. Follow them on Instagram. That's at New Level. And people, the video is going to be out on our YouTube channel. That's Up on Live Show. I remember the show is sponsored by Shush Printing, Fast Prints UK, and also produced by World Mag Entertainment. See you next week. Remember to follow us, like, subscribe, and share. Alright, Fire Q, any last words before we go?
I know the thing, you just tell them if they know. Like, subscribe, and share it. You get me? Dragon!
Alright, so you know that was the group we call New Level, live inside the studio, right? You know why the group bad, so who don't know them get to know them, right? The more go places I can see it from now, you know what I mean? You have a little eye, I can say I could star up on the man, you understand what I'm saying?
The rough voice, you know?
Yeah. You don't know the whole group bad, but you know right now, we just flip the beat and just come in some juggling, you know? Look a bit of juggling.
When me step a million,
also, this is the voice of Stylo G. Song called Whooping. I beat them in a dog, beat them.
when me step a million, 24K pa me hand. No too with knock off. Anytime me kick off a straight a me land.
That got to be us.
When me step a million, 24K pa me hand.
You know the thing, you know the Upon Live Show, everything alright, right?
Straight a me land.
Again.
As me land. When they keep me the van.
Now big up to all of us spending more money right now, but you know this summer go.
Like Radigan.
Now as you know me, you know. As me always say, you have to keep it locked. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep it locked to TGMradio.uk. Yo!
Y'all a shout for the dancers. Anytime we step dog a Tangati. My style them can't.
Wanna say thank you to our guest tonight.
Make a pretty girl pass. Lobes them fresh out the box. Gucci fresh out the box. Iceberg fresh out the box.
Now people know if you have an artist you want, get a little interview, you can just link up the Upon Live crew, right? You know the song girl now.
LV's fresh out the box.
No, we also have clean, so I'm on.
Me no wanna get a pressure me as me wake. Like how my real up get a shady.
You know the song girl I'm gonna talk here, man.
Give me a break. Cause a boy like me not mad.
You mad?
Me not mad over no girl. Cause a boy like we not mad. No, we not mad over no girl. Coulda pretty like I wanna know.
Take out the beers.
Still lost, yeah. Me no wanna get a pressure me as me wake. Like how my real up get a shady.
They know there's some girl in the dragon. They know the girl is things are wild in the day.
Cause a boy like me not mad. No, we not mad over no girl. Cause a boy like we not mad. No, we not mad over no girl. Coulda pretty like Kale and spend enough money. No, we not mad over no girl. Coulda cute like Kale and we no box money. No, we not mad over no girl. Ricky Ross, you know nothing else from my energy up. It's a ice and it's a case that you know me Hennessy cup. Couple girls and couple cats to get the energy box.
We make it 4 minutes to the hour.
Me love the girl, them but me never trust them. That's why me full of woman, so I doesn't close them.
Some people are locked in right now, go on, who the vibe, who the vibe, who the vibe, who the vibe. Ready?
That got to be us.
Me love the girl, them but me never trust them. That's why me full of woman, so I doesn't close them. When they catch a girl, I give her manna. She still a tell her, say she and the dude that just friend. Them with the girl, and me say never trust them. That's why me no run fit, cut them. Enough man, guys, and I beg you.
Now remember, same place, same time next week, right? You know we're here from 9 till 11.
She sit down on the peg, the one Tiffany a beg.
And the Upon Live Show people, so tell a friend to tell their friend.
Every day a new guy.
It's every Tuesday night at 9 UK time of year. Remember to follow, like, subscribe and share.
So me change the girl, them easy like me flow, yeah. So
we're gonna see what I look about in the studio, yeah, man.
Hey, she love when we hire me in my yard. She said she not the first, she said she swear to God.
Welcome to 1 week called Mr. Ragged King. So what are you gonna do with me?
Hey, she love when we hire me in my yard. She said she not the first, she said she swear to God. The pill just suppresses how she need my body.
One big team full speed right now, we know this summer go.
And the feel the same way, so her neck me cry.
What the girl let me feature me?
She said for box and her face, cause she not innocent. Fuck up the difference, cause we for head.
Whoa.
Pussy feel me gal and feel the land. Me keep her so high, just like the cloud step. She said me full of flow, just like the cable dam.
No,
money in spend.
No, me can't play the body song for the rhythm beat. Me can't play the body song for the rhythm beat.
Me too dark, me too done. So me smoke every day and get black lungs. Again.
Take on the bass.
Too dark, me too dark, me too dark. Magic heavy. Me too dark, me too done.
Now we make it 2 minutes to the hour.
Black lungs.
You know the summer going on.
Who gets them up, I must see pet come. All we do.
Wanna say thank you to the people that locked in this week.
Run pony ends, I ain't get none.
Remember, same place, same time next week.
Cause you're lazy and don't have an income. Billions man a pre 52-inch TV. Me tattoo them a 3D. So anywhere me go, girl have to see me. NSC a chase with NSC.
Wanna say big respect to our sponsors one more time. Big up Shush Print, Fast Print. And you know we're sponsored by World Mag Entertainment.
We'll hold it out same way. You never did I sleep when them try go round me. Enough night me hold it. Them used to tell me no.
Let us keep it like me.
When them swear we are rich, now them walk around me. When me tell me about it. What you people them when you're the road. Cause mankind wicked. Wicked but man for this and man never timid. Money never make man TG out, them never see me. When me bleach out torment and skinny. 6 real me now sell out G-City. Now me and Squash man winning, them never want see this. You never did I sleep when them try go round me.